Good day, everyone. My name is Jeff Peterson. I'm broadcasting from the iCafe studio. We are continuing with our Smart Response Connector for Eduphoria. At this point, you have already downloaded the Smart Response Connector for Eduphoria and installed it on your computer. If you have not done that, please go back to the previous video so you can get that downloaded and installed. Now we're ready to move on to downloading the actual assessment file that is needed to give the assessment using the Smart Response clickers. At this point, you have already created your assessment inside Eduphoria. If you've never created an assessment in Eduphoria or need help, please refer to the Eduphoria page on the iCafe website, and it will take you step by step. Very smooth video. We've created the assessment. We're inside Eduphoria. A big word of caution that I have to throw out is regarding the name of the assessment. Anytime you create an assessment that you're going to use with a Smart Response Connector for Eduphoria, you cannot use any special characters in the name. Avoid the and symbol, the asterisks, the slashes, the periods. Avoid all of those symbols in the name titles. Just stick to letters, numbers, and spaces. If you use special characters, there's a very good chance it will mess up your assessment. You will end up with assessment that can't be uploaded, the kids can't take, all kinds of random errors. So please just avoid those at all cost. If by chance you did give your assessment a special character in its name, you can still go back inside Eduphoria and make that title change to the title and then proceed on with giving the assessment. So at this point, I have logged into Eduphoria. I have selected my test. I have selected my class. At the bottom of the screen, I've got my series of buttons. When I use the bubble sheets, I would naturally print the answer sheets. Instead, I'm going to use response pads. When I click on Use Response Pads, it's going to ask me which vendor. We are using the Smart Response, so I'm going to select Smart. Click on Administer. When I click on Administer, give it a few seconds. It has to process. It is going to prompt you to save a file. This is what's called an SOS file. I'm going to simply save this file to my desktop. That is usually the easiest location to work. I save it there. SOS file is simple, very small. It will download very quickly. And that is all there is to downloading the SOS file. Fast, simple, easy.